Today, we'll edit a portrait using Dehancer in Lightroom. Here's before and after. Before diving, let me briefly explain what Dehancer is. Dehancer is a film emulation plugin that makes the photos and videos look like a vintage film instantly. They have dozens of presets that make the look with a few clicks. Dehancer isn't just about editing. It saves so much time for artists and creators. It creates business opportunities. I have made a dedicated tutorial videos for Dehancer in Lightroom here, and also Dehancer in DaVinci Resolve right here. If you're interested, please check it out in the description below. Please don't forget, you can get 10% off your purchase using coupon code TAKUYA in the description below. Now let's dive in. Now let's edit these sunset photos. Before edit in Dehancer, there is a recommended setting by Dehancer itself. Adjust contrast -40, black +60. So let's adjust. Aside from the recommended setting, adjust white balance and exposure if necessary. For this image, the sunset is backlight lighting condition, and I will slightly up the shadow because the models look totally dark, and I will slightly lift the shadow before going to the Dehancer. Slightly goes around here. Now let's edit in Dehancer. Right click, edit in Dehancer. This will create a TIFF file for us. It will take a few seconds. This is the interface of Dehancer. On the left side, there's a preset, and on the right side, you can adjust the parameters. Just apply the preset, the image changes dramatically. Just 1 second. Just like this. Looks pretty awesome. And also you can search the film type. The color negative and positive and black and white as well. And for this image, I want to select Kodak Vision 350D. I don't have much experience in film shooting, but what I know is the numbers showing 50 and 250 is showing ISO. D is a daytime, so it's suitable for daytime. T showing tungsten, so it's a warm lighting condition. It's suitable for that kind of lighting. For this image, let's select Kodak Vision 350D. After you select film profile, you will select print profile. For this print profile, since I selected film profile Kodak, also I will select Kodak 23H3. This matches pretty well. After you select the film and the print profile, the image, the color looks often muted. So let's boost the color in Film Developer. In Film Developer, you can adjust the color and the contrast. In Color Boost, you go right, you increase the color and the saturation. And go left, you can desaturate the color. And for this image, let's boost the colors a little bit, maybe around 75. Okay. And also you can make a contrast in color boost and gamma correction as well. Let's try contrast boost right here, maybe not too much around here. So gamma correction slightly right here. Okay. The next, film compression. What film compression does is make a contrast in highlight. So go to the right. The highlight looks compressed. 85. So let's adjust the fine point slightly to the right around here, so that you can see the sun behind more. And total range, to make our contrast to the right, go to the left, it becomes more brighter. Okay, so go to the slightly right. Also let's adjust the color density as well, slightly to the right side. Film compressions, this is before and after. Next, expand. What expand does is adjust the black point and white point. Let's show the histogram right here. Go to left, you can lift the black point slightly. And for this image, I want to make the image a bit softer. So lift the black point to the right side a little bit. And also you can adjust the white point right here. And this one also you can move the highlight to the left. And now this looks more softer images. The next, let's add grain, halation, and bloom. This grain and halation and bloom can add together. Grain, halation, and bloom. Since we are editing the portrait onto grain in the minimal. So if you add grain like 80mm, it looks pretty much noisy and too much. So the minimal 65 will looks okay. And added a halation and bloom, also minimal, okay. Without grain and halation bloom, it looks like this. This is before. And adding bloom, halation, and grain. Now let's add the vignette as well. Slightly adjust the lighting. Okay. Before and after. Okay. Okay, now we made it. This is before, after, before, and after. Once we make our editing, we can save the preset. To make a preset, go to presets, and you click this plus button, and you can put the name. Product Vision 350D, maybe sunset portrait. Just like this, and you can add preset. So you can use preset for another photos. Now let's try apply that preset to this image as well. And now we came to the Dehancer. And now let's apply the preset we made earlier. And this one we apply and effect is too strong. And I think we need to adjust the film developer and film compression. Okay, let's try film developer. I think the color is okay, and this film compression effect is too strong. So put back to the default and adjust again. Slightly impact. Also the expand also effect is too strong. So expand, move to the default, and this one looks better. The other effects stay the same and it looks okay. This is before and after. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget you can get 10% off using coupon code TAKUYA from the description below. I have made other tutorial videos, Dehancer in DaVinci Resolve right here, and also Dehancer in Lightroom as well right here. If you are interested, please check it out, and I hope see you in the next video.